Hey guys, range time! Got my favorite gun in my collection today. This is my Smith & Wesson 686 Plus. 7 rounds of .357 Magnum. A beautiful Coca-Cola grip by Hogue. This gun just oozes sexy. Let's put some lead down range. This is a PPKS made by Manhurin, licensed under Walter, made in France during World War II. This is dedicated to Ryan Machad from the Handgun Podcast. This one's for you, buddy. Get it again. It just didn't go off. Okay, we got the HK91, some old school 308 firepower. Yeah. So 10 rounds go pretty quickly. All right, let's do this.